Morning, YouTube. Hey. So, publicity, a Faye's Fat Burger and Grill down south, Louisiana. Anyways, figured since I'm out running errands and stuff, I would be like, hey, y'all can see something different. Anyways, so happy vlogmas. Hold up. Day 14. It's pretty cool, right? Just got done, got paid today, went to the post office, dropped some of my stuff off, sent that off, and now, just grabbing a bite to eat and gonna put some time on my phone. I really don't know what else much to say. I don't know. Had work, had to ride to work, from work, so it's pretty cool. It's not even like Christmas weather. Hello, Christmas. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Anyways, look at my hat hair. This shit's so dumb. So, my fries should be done. I'm debating whether or not to, mount the fuck out of them or not. Probably not. But I'm gonna put this out. Sorry about the past two ones, kind of sucking. But all my social media is in the description below. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and do what you want. I ain't your fucking mama. Anyways, stay weird. Happy fucking Christmas. Bye.